welcome back to another video. It's Matt Malone here. It is like a week after the drift event, and I'm just here checking on the car because I did go off the track at like 50 miles an hour and I broke the bumper here. So I'm just checking the car out right now. Yeah, it's kind of bad. It was already kind of broke right here, and like I don't know what happened, how it happened, but my guess it was from flying off the track. But progress was made. I finally hit the sweeper, which is pretty fun. If you don't know about the sweeper, you really got to hit it in like third gear, and then you go to the back part where it's like you hit second gear all throughout the whole rest of the track. I didn't really vlog too much at the track. I was just kind of like trying to focus on hitting the sweeper. Also, like rained the day before, so it was wet. It was muddy. People were going on and off the track with like mud on their tires. So it got real slippery. Some car actually like spilled a bunch of fluid on the track. So it was like, I was really trying to avoid the mud and fluid. It was a mess, but we got it down. We got the sweeper down. Next event, I really want to hit it more aggressively. If you are new to the channel, this is my 2003 G35 Sedan. 6-speed. Sedan 6-speeds are kind of hard to find. I had to go to Austin for this. I'm from Houston. Got a little bit of goodies on this car, like just everything just like budget, like GK Tick Angle Kit, Rev 9 coilovers, the wheels, G33 fronts. Got the stocks in the back right now because the Cosmos wheels, I wish I could have saved the tire, but I couldn't because I ripped the sidewall coming off the track. Full-way tires are the way to go for the track because I've done 2 track days on these and they still have a bunch of life left. They could have lasted another event, but I went off the track and ripped the sidewall on one. So if you're new into drifting and you're trying to look for cheap rear tires, this is the way to go. Full-way tires. Amazon, I think it's like 60-70 bucks each. Yeah, not much to show on the car. Just you know, just your basic cockpit. I don't have a hydro yet, but looking to get one very soon. Yeah, guys, a lot of progress was made this event. Hitting third gear was really exciting. Like, I didn't think I could do it. Like, you're just going really fast, and out of nowhere you got a clutch kick and you're just sliding, and you just gotta maintain on the gas, because if you don't, you're gonna like snap and go off the track. That's how this happened. But yeah, very excited for the next event. I'm trying to get some tandems with people. It's just so exciting. Like, I've been wanting to do this since I was like 15, 16 years old. Always playing Forza, tandem with people, like doing competitions and whatnot. Finally doing this in person, like, it's pretty exciting, man. Like, words cannot describe. Like, I can't even talk right now. Other updates. RSS is getting BC coilovers. Type S cluster right here. G35 is getting wide body fenders on the front. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, that's it.
You gonna switch?
Alright, I'm gonna go on there.
Okay. You're doing good though. I mean, like these sides.
I'm alright. Like you see where I'm messing up right now. Like that first turn, the transition into that corner to the left, it's kind of hard because you gotta stretch it.
Yeah.
And if you don't do it right, you're gonna hit the fucking hole. That's how I broke a wheel. Mom? Yeah. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Comments help a lot on the channel. And make sure you guys stick around for more drift videos because next time we're for sure doing tandems. But anyways guys, Happy New Year. I love you all. And I'll see you guys in the next one.